everyone, Claire here, and today I have just received my September, and I know we're in November, but I only ordered this 2 weeks ago, September Potterbox, and this is from Kevin Potter, which is Potter USA, and they make pancake dies, and I'll start opening this while I talk about it. They make pancake dies and presses for hydraulic presses and other jewellery making tools and impression dies and all kinds of really good stuff for your home workshop. So they're doing now a monthly subscription box and they call it a Potterbox, and it's I've forgotten the price off the top of my head, but it's amazing value. I think it's like $58, something like that. If you're in the USA, the postage it's a lot cheaper because of your postage. For the UK, it's more expensive, so I can't remember the price off the top of my head. Oh, I can't get it out. There we go. And the first box I bought was the October box, and the October box actually got stopped by customs and I had to have pay a customs charge, but this box did not get stopped by customs, which I was extremely happy about, but my tracking didn't update and it was getting quite worrying. But it's here and it's all good and well, and it's taken me 2 minutes to get into this thing. Okay. Yay! So here it is, Potter USA. And there's the web address. So the contents of the September box. So they're all themed boxes, and you get a little letter telling you what the theme is and what you get in it. So this one is Autumn Inspiration and Creation, and the value of the box, you've got an owl pancake die, which is $22.95, an oak leaf, a leaf, and a branch impression die. And we always get Tootsie Rolls, which you don't get in the UK actually, so it's quite nice. So this one must be the leaf impression die, which is a big hunk of steel. And I don't know if it's going to show. There you go. And that is a branch in there. And that's for your press. And then here we have the pancake dies. So that's is that the oak leaf? So there's one leaf. There's the owl. No, that one's the oak leaf. Is that an oak leaf? Yeah. There's the oak leaf. There's the owl, and there's the normal leaf. Awesome. So what you do with these is with your, I use a fly press. I don't use a hydraulic press because I've got a fly press. So you want a sheet of metal, then you want your die, then you put your metal in between, like that. Then you put a sheet of metal on top, or if you've got a hydraulic press, you pump it up and squish. Or with the fly press, you swing your arm and squish. And that squishes down, which you won't do by hand. The larger one might. Yeah, you can see. So that squishes down and punches out your shape. Simple as that. Love this box. Absolutely love this box. My only complaint is I only got 2 Tootsie Rolls. Thanks for watching. Bye.